Hey guys, a very good morning, Fabio here. Hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to a new daily market outlook. So first of all, thank you if you joined the live stream yesterday. I really enjoyed it yesterday, interacting with you guys, going over some charts with you guys. So if you want to join future live streams as well, make sure to join the Discord server. Link is in the description down below. So let's dive in. Okay guys, so viewing the current chart, what can we currently see? Well, we currently are just consolidating after yesterday. Looking at the 1 hour now, just ranging in this area of consolidation as of now. So just going to be waiting for a breakout in either direction. I would still love for a push down lower before moving up higher. Looking at the 1 hour currently, what we can see is that this is the ideal spot to create a new lower high. Kind of create this channel kind of formation. One more push back down in towards that area of demand before pushing up higher in towards 94.370. Let's say we do not get that pullback, then I'll just be waiting for 94.370 to get hit, and then from there we will be looking to form resistance, look for a reversal pattern, see if we can form resistance, or otherwise just push up higher. So yeah, for me it's just a waiting game. So either we push down now in towards 93.760, then start pushing up, or we push up from here in towards 94.370, and from there we're going to be looking if we're going to see a reversal pattern or anything in that fashion. So yeah, let's see. We could also form something like this potentially. So let's see. It's going to be a waiting game. Just going to be seeing if we form a reversal pattern inside 94.370. If not, we just wait for the breakout. So yeah, that's simply it for the dollar index. Let's head over to our first pair, which is Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar has started to pull back after this massive overextended move. Pullback is very normal. So as you guys know, I was waiting for just a little bit of a lower level, this being my main two levels over here, 0.74145 and 0.73902. Yeah, for me, let's just see. What would be nice is if we form a nice reversal pattern before moving up higher, because then we can also trade the reversal back up in towards the highs before then taking an additional short back down. If we do move up higher, this is going to be my first area of resistance, this over here my second. Then we're going to be looking for further shorts. So yeah, that's Aussie dollar. Let's head over to Euro dollar. So Euro dollar is bearish on all time frames, really nice to see. At the moment, what we did yesterday is that we formed some support over here, or resistance, excuse me, at 1.15885. So this is our key area of resistance at the moment. If we are able to break that, we could still move up higher in towards 1 hour supply, because Euro dollar is bearish, but on the 1 hour, and if we view the 1 hour, we didn't react to anything. If we just quickly look left, right, the only thing we reacted to was the daily baseline over here at 1.16026. Let's say we do or are able to move up higher, then I would love to see 1.16193 or this level over here or this level over here. So like I said in yesterday's video, we have a lot of areas of supply which could act as an area of resistance. Currently reacted to nothing except for that daily baseline. However, in most instances, if you do see like a reversal or continuation in towards the downside, you do see price reacting to liquidity. Second of all, furthermore, we haven't not reacted to a fib level. 618 is up above over here, and I preferably always want to see the 618 fib at least get hit. So yeah, that's Euro dollar for you guys. Could do both, could go either way, excuse me. I'm just going to be keeping an eye on the 15 mainly. Let's see if we could see a potential 15-minute scalp to trade this up higher possibly. But yeah, mainly my main focus would just be waiting for 1 hour areas of supply to get hit to then look for those shorts, because this is not an ideal area to be trading in. So yeah, that's Euro dollar for you. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar is currently just inside of this area of consolidation, just waiting for a reversal pattern to form. Nothing much on this chart at all, to be honest. Would love to see something like this form, and then break out, and then boom boom. Yeah, so that's essentially it for pound dollar. Really simple, nothing that complicated. Then once we see a push up higher, we could look for an additional short from an area of supply, or this fake out on the swing high at around 1.36986. So let's head over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar is pushing up as expected essentially. Just going to be waiting for this area of supply to get hit up above over here before looking for those additional shorts back down in towards 0.70838. So that's Kiwi dollar. Then let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. So gold playing out beautifully, as you guys can see, has been seeing further downside like I explained yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now just going to be waiting for a pullback before seeing a possible additional shorts at around 1794.105 to then trade this bad boy back down lower. So yeah, bearish on gold for now. Didn't take an entry yesterday myself, but if you did take an entry yourself, congratulations, great trade. And yeah, now let's just wait and see if we can hit that area of 4 hour supply once again to look for an additional short. So yeah, that is it for gold from me, guys, and for this analysis of today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a fantastic day. Thanks, guys.